Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards and Gboard. Then click on theme and tap on show more to see all available options. When you're ready, you can pick one of those colors by tapping on the chosen one. Click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on and tap apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those images. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!